Hello dear friends of high quality motorcycle accessories, here's again your Daniel from Hepco&Becker, and today a warm welcome to one of our how-to videos. In this clip I will mount our handguards together with you on, what do we have here? A HUSQVARNA Norden 901. So have fun and stay tuned! In case you order the Hepco&Becker handguards for the Norden 901, you get everything nicely packed in a box. In that box, you'll find this product here. Let's open it up. Besides the handguard, made of highly stable steel and black powder coated, we also deliver a suitable screw set and our assembling instruction. This one is really simple to understand and guides you through the mounting step by step. So let's go to work! HUSQVARNA already delivers the bike with these plastic handguards, which are going to stay on the bike because our handguards go on top of them and reinforce the protection of the handlebar. As you can see, our product adapts perfectly to the contours of the original guards. But to get them fixed, we need to loosen the plastic guards at first with an Allen wrench size 6. Attention! In the inside of the handlebar, the counter nut is clamped in and might fall further inside of the bar. So carefully. Just loosen it first, that should be good. So now loosen the bolts at the handlebar clamps. To remove those, we are going to need a, T40, a Torx wrench. I recommend to do this one side after the other because our handguard comes separate, one for the left and one for the right side. Those original screws are no longer needed. We deliver longer bolts to adapt our handguards. Here I have them, plus some aluminum spacers and some washers. So just making sure I got the right side. Oops, that is the wrong one. Now this is the right one. As you probably see, I'm not a pro. As soon we have removed this bolt and this bar end, we can now remove the inner clamp nut. This one we are going to need to secure our handguard. Take our delivered longer screws, put it through our handguard and the original from HUSQVARNA and bolt on slightly into the clamping nut. Soon as the bolt has grabbed, we can now insert the whole set into the handlebar. so. And an important hint, do not fix the bolt totally, just let it a bit loose, makes it easier to bolt on the other side, on the bar clamps. And that's what we are going to do next. We support you with longer screws and aluminum spacers, 2 for each side. The spacer in between the clamp block and our attachment tab. Okay, I forgot the washer. Where are they? There you go. Sometimes I'd wish I'd have 4 hands. So, bolt them in. And the other one. Right now you can align everything and screw in the bolts. If you should have mounted any risers on your bike, no problem, just let us know and we supply you with longer ones. And now the same procedure on the other side. Okay, everything is firmly screwed, left side and right side, and our handguards protect the handlebar additionally. These Hepco&Becker handguards are of course not just available for the Norden 901, but for a lot more adventure bikes. Check out our shop and find your adventure bike in our bike database. It's quite possible that you might find our handguards also for your bike. If you have further questions, then contact us via one of our channels. I wish you a good and safe ride and see you next time. Your Daniel. Bye bye.
Can't stop this feeling inside me. I want to break out with you.